Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to share how to troubleshoot this Technics SL-1200 MK2. The problem of this unit, it has unstable speed or the speed is fluctuating. So I'm going to share first the problem of this unit. Now this is the guide if you are on a center of this one. It has a slot, you can feel it, but as you can see, the green LED, it's not working there, it's fluctuating. So on with the speed, this one is fast, this one is slow. But if I will put the slider in the center, it is fluctuating. Sometimes the green light turn on, but sometimes it blink, so it is fluctuating. And now let's check the strobe lines. Now check the biggest strobe dots. As you can see, it is moving back and forth there, it's fluctuating. There. So let's troubleshoot this one. To make this video short, I'm going to direct you with the problem, guys, but I will explain a little about troubleshooting. In troubleshooting like this one, it has unstable speed. There are many suspected components: resistor, capacitor, IC, transistor, a dirty bearing, and this slider. But in this video, my suspected component, I will direct you to the slider. What I did is I observed first when I turn on the unit, I observe the slider. If I will set the slider to center, you saw that on the first part of the video, the strobe lines or the dots are steady. Sometimes it is moving back and forth, steady, or sometimes fast in speed, sometimes low in speed, then steady again. That's my hint about this unstable speed. Then I set this one to plus 2%. It means that my strobe lines will go this way. I observe it for 5 minutes. Then it is consistent without fluctuation for 5 minutes. Then I set to minus 2%. It means that my strobe line will go this way. And it is also consistent without fluctuation. But if I will set on the center, the normal is the green light is steady. But in this case, the green light is blinking, sometimes steady. And my strobe dots sometimes stable, sometimes going back and forth. So this is my suspected component. What I will do now is to check inside, maybe clean, and let's find out if my suspected component is true. This is the contact, and as you can see here, it is already ruined, and also this one. So first thing I'm gonna do is to wash this with soap and water, then bend this one a little, adjust the contacts. I already cleaned this part, and as you can see, and I checked this one, it is still good. And as you can see, the carbon, this is made of a carbon, this contact here. And the part here, I have a problem. As you can see here, guys, it's already ruined. One remaining contact, the other two is missing. This is because of the friction. The two contacts are already melted due to the friction sliding on this part here back and forth for how many years. So anyway, if you can find a new one of this potentiometer of the Technics, then if in case you encounter like this, then replace it right away. But for now, since I don't have any spare parts, so I will put this back together, and since it is already cleaned, so let's check again if the contact is still there. Now let's turn this on. Let's check the slider light. There. Then off, on, off, on. Now let's check the speed. I set this one to 33, and the strobe dots for 33 and 45 RPM are the same, the biggest dots. As you can see, the biggest dots, it's not moving, it is very stable. I will set this one to 45, check the biggest dots, very stable. So anyway, in this video, this is just a guide how to troubleshoot unstable speed. And cleaning, that's the first part you're gonna do if you encounter this kind of problem, especially in Technics SL-1200 MK2. Clean the slide potentiometer. And if you saw the first part of this video that the contacts of the slide potentiometer are ruined, then if you have a spare, replace it right away. And I will recommend to replace it right away if the contacts are ruined. But in this video, I'm still using the old slide potentiometer because I don't have a spare. Before I will end up this video, I just want to share that in troubleshooting, especially this unstable speed, it is not always on the pitch control. This is just a guide, and sometimes unstable speed, it is the cause of a leaky capacitor, transistor, sometimes change value of a resistor, lost contact of the trimmers inside this Technics, or the IC, or sometimes a dirty bearing on the motor. That's all. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.